So how was I able to go from $0 to $520 in less than 28 days, less than a month? Keep watching. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'll be telling you how to make money online using Amazon FBM. So if you're interested in learning about that, watch till the end. And also at the end of the video, I'll be giving you the winners for our last week's giveaway. So if you'd like to know who won, or if you'd like to know who the winners are, definitely watch till the end. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as you can see from my dashboard, my Printful dashboard, in the last 28 days, I've made $520, and all of this money is coming from Amazon FBM. And by FBM, I mean fulfilled by merchant. This means that you are the one who is going to fulfill the order made by the customer. And luckily for us, there are suppliers that take care of that, and Printful is one of them. And Printful is my recommended print-on-demand supplier that I use with Amazon. There are others like Printify, Guton, but Printful is the one that I recommend. So if you haven't signed up for Printful, there is a link in the description. Just click up and follow the sign up process. So I guess you're asking, how did I make this $520? So the first thing that we need to do is to do research, niche research. And in my previous videos, I've shown you how to do niche research. I even do weekly niche research videos. So if you like to keep up to date with that, just hit the subscribe button and come to the playlist, and you will see print on demand niche research. This is the weekly playlist that I update every week. So just come and click the videos and you should get some weekly niche ideas that should be profitable. Another way that I get my niche ideas is by following trends. And I've made a previous video about 7 free ways to do print on demand niche research. In this video, I'll talk about how you can also get trends. So if you haven't watched that video, I encourage that you do. So after I've gotten my niches or trending niches, the next step I do is to create a design. I primarily use Vexels for that. So if you don't know what Vexels is a graphic design website where you can grab ready-made, ready to download designs for your print-on-demand businesses, both for print-on-demand and KDP. So they have the book section as well as the t-shirt section. These are t-shirt designs that you can just download and upload. And if you don't want ready-made designs, you can create your own. You can create your own t-shirt using a t-shirt maker, and you could also use PSD t-shirts. These are templates that you just edit the text, edit the color, edit the words, and you have a unique design that you can upload to all your print-on-demand platforms. So if you're interested in learning more about Vexels, there's a link in the description. So I'm a merch subscriber, as you can see, and I went for the lifetime plan, which is what I would recommend that you do, because once you pay, you never have to pay again. There's also a link in the description if you'd like to learn more about that. After I've made the design for my trending niche, the next thing I need to do is to upload to all the print-on-demand platforms. But in this video, we're going to focus on Printful. In this video, we're going to focus on Amazon Seller Central. My recommended tool of choice is Flying Upload. So this is how Flying Upload looks like. If you want to edit, just click edit, and if you want to upload to all the print-on-demand platforms, click upload. So as you can see, Flying Upload has all these print on demand platforms that you can upload to. But for this video, we're going to focus on Printful. Now just go back, go to edit. Here is the design I downloaded from Vexels and I uploaded to Flying Upload. What we need to do is to fill the title, description, tags, and all of this. Then fill the settings for Printful. Then upload to Amazon Seller Central. So for the title, I will just go back to Vexels. It says Rachel Feast. So I'm going to come here and write Rachel Feast Best Gift. For the description, I'll copy that and paste. Then go back to Vexels and use this first description. So designs and features a fist bump in retro style. So just copy that, come back here and add this at the beginning. So once I'm done with that, the text is the next thing. So I'll come back to Vexels, copy the text related to the design, in this case fist hand, fist bump retro. Copy it, take it back to Flying Upload and paste. So I'm just gonna put commas in between that. Then if I want extra keywords, I'm just gonna highlight the keyword that I want extra keywords for and click keywords. And a bunch of keywords are gonna be recommended, and if I want it, I'm just gonna click funny. I click the ones that I want. For example, funny, power, punch, boxing, and if I'm okay with the keyword, all I need to do is click save. Once I've saved it, I'm gonna put if I want for men, women, and youth. Then change the color. If I want it on a black background, I'm gonna click black. But I think this is nice on a white background, so I'm gonna click white. The next step is to configure Printful on Flying Upload. So I go to options, go to settings, go to the templates and go to Printful. And for now, I've deactivated eBay, Etsy, and Shopify because I just want to upload to Amazon Seller Central. But if you want to configure for the rest, just exit the deactivate and click on them and you're gonna configure. But I'll just leave it on deactivate for now and go to Amazon. So on Amazon, you're gonna click add, put in a name for your template. For example, t-shirt template. And before you put in this template, your template here, the name of your template here should match the template on Printful. Go to Printful, use any of your uploaded designs as your template. For example, the first one, you just want to click on this and say save as template. Once you click save as template, it's gonna be as a template. Now use the title of the design you set as a template, and it's the title that you're gonna put here. So Flying Upload will know which template you're talking about. So once you've set that up, all you need to do is to fill the template name, fill in the template name, the mockup style, mockup image, product name, and for product name, it will be t-shirt. That's if it's a t-shirt that you want to upload to. So once you've uploaded your design, go to proceed to the mockups. So the mockups here on Flying Upload, mockup style will be this one right here. Either of these ones that you want. It could be the flat lifestyle mockup. If you want the flat lifestyle mockup, just copy it and paste. But you know, Amazon likes white backgrounds. So you want any of these other ones here. For example, if it's a men's mockup that you want, just click men's two mockups, copy it, take it back to Fly Upload and paste it. If the mockup image is this one right here, and do you want a black, do you want a navy, do you want a dark header? If you want a dark header, just copy it, take it back to Fly Upload and paste. That's for the mockup image. And the product name is a t-shirt, and you want to add t-shirt to the title. And for the price, you either want a fixed price or you want a profit. I always like going for a profit because it's going to upload all the other prices. So What profit do you want? Do you want $5? Do you want $6.99? Do you want $7 profit? Any of them that you want, if it's a $6.99 profit that you want, just put $6.99. If it's $7 profit, put 7. So let me know in the comment section what profit you put for your t-shirts or what profit you put for your products. I would like to have a discussion with you guys in the comment section below. Measure, I always click both of them. Then free shipping, I always do free shipping. Customers always like free shipping. And for the marketplaces, for now I'm on the North America Seller Central account. That's what I have, which has accounts in the US, Mexico, and Canada. So those are the ones that I click. If you're using any other, choose the ones that you have accounts in. So once you're done for that, I go for the color. In this case, I'm using just the black, navy, and dark header. So I'm going to come here and exit, or I don't want to upload for the colorful and I don't want to upload for the white. So it depends on the colors that you're uploading to. And if you don't want them to upload to other colors, come here and click the colors that you don't want to upload to. So that's how it works. Once you're done setting up your template, just click OK and it's going to update. So once you're done with your template, the next thing we need to do is to upload. So click here, come to upload, click agree, then click on start. So if you'd like to learn more about Plan Upload, there's a link in the description. You can use the code Vanessa10 for a 10% discount. And for my second Amazon seller upload tool of choice is POD Connect. You can use the code Make Money Online for a 20% discount. All the links are found in the description below. So that's how it's easy to upload to Amazon Seller Central. You can upload hundreds of products to Amazon Seller Central. Unlike Amazon Merch, where your upload limit is based on the tier that you are in Amazon Seller Central, it's unlimited product uploads. So once you've uploaded your product is live. If your design is trending or if your niche is trending, you might want to advertise it. And I usually recommend that you advertise it for 10 cents. And if your ad is not getting views, you should definitely increase your bid to maybe 20 cents or 35 cents. And if you're getting clicks but no sales, reduce it back. So just keep watching your ad and adjusting your bid to the views you're getting, the orders you're getting, or the clicks you're getting. So congratulations to Arifore. I'm not sure if I'm calling that correctly. Arifor or Arifore. I'm sorry if I'm calling it wrong. And Sarah Haynes for winning our last week's giveaway. So contact me to claim your prize. And if you'd like to enter our next week's giveaway, the link is in the description below. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, if you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Just hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.